Hello. This is the beautiness of our country. Is it that so? I don't know. What are we gonna do? Is this not Chungiza Road? Is Chungiza Road there? Chungiza Road State. Ha. Samari nyigede kana ka samari. Nyamziori same nino. Nyigeze chikuona nasu kufamba na nyamziwa ka. Uchirumbo zere tena na mdara tanga andiziveni. I don't know. This is Tribablas, guys. Can you meet us? Yeah, this is Hopefully. Is it Chungiza? Tribablas, capital city of Zimbabwe. So what can you say about the people who are watching us now, Mr. Mgati? Nyamziwa. Don't mention my name. But people, they love you because of the good things. You see now, this is Tribablas. I'm happy to be here. In the capital city of Zimbabwe is which? Harare. Yes, Harare. Harare is beautiful, guys. Let lovely guys. Guys, just watch us, guys. Maybe you need to see me. This is a problem. But because it's international language. Avana ndakakwira moto nasamana ndudo ma likes mashema comments ananyamziwa anamtenesanwa anachirantu anaumba pane mtupo yangu kwanza kutora nyamziwa kamurishumba ko panyika dzaunofarira ingotaura dzamunokwanisa dzise the world wide Zimbabwe 1 South Africa Zimbabwe. Nigeria Tanzania UK, some people they said UK is Unity K. Ndakazoti kune munhu andiri ku Unity K zangu ndiri ku UK. This is nice. Guys, we've been showing you about the Tribablas. And can you see this is what is happening here? I don't know where we are, guys. But because we are in our land, our prosperity. Nai baba muruza tibabere bana. Chimari una kuchinja kweta iwe Chungiza Road here asata suka patira babla sadarika paboka ndo patakwenda aumana ngarisangane kuma likes shares comments takwenda paboka ina chatupaziwa wena mana chakanaka umana kana nyama yakadonera mutara ndotoinhonga Mr. Chat. This is nice, guys. We are saying coming home. Home is best, guys. You see, this is where we are. Thank you for your subscription, likes, comments, and whatever. But English is a problem. It's international language, but I would try. Love to me. Thank you for your subscription.